Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. I need to put about s equals to negative t. So we know that s approach to negative infinity. Now we need to put negative t gone here. So negative and negative we simplify. So this one will go to this one. S we change by negative t. So this one we have negative 2t. This one we have negative 2t. This one we have positive 2t. Similar for this one. So for this one, I can put into 1 over e to the power of 2t. Similar for this one. Next, we can do about factorization by e to the power of 2t. So this one we have e to the power of 4t. Because this one with this one we have this one. And the next one that is about negative number 1. Similar for the second one. Now we simplify this one. When t approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And now we have the final answer. And we have negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.